Hi everyone. Today we're going to study optimization. In this video, we're going to maximize the volume of a box. This is the sample problem. An open-top box is to be made from a 24 inches by 36 inches piece of cardboard by removing a square from each corner of the box and folding up the flaps on each side. What size of square should be cut out of each corner to get a box with a maximum volume? First, let us draw the cardboard. Here is the 24 inches side, while this side is 36 inches. For step 1, we let x be the side length of the square to be removed from each corner. Then the remaining 4 flaps can be folded up to form an open-top box. Just like this. Let capital V be the volume of the resulting box. Step 2. We are trying to maximize the volume of a box. Therefore, the problem is to maximize V. Step 3, let us write the formula of the volume of a box. V, or the volume, equals length times width times height. Now, let us label our box. The height here is the x. In this side of the box will be 24 minus 2x inches. And this side here will be the length, and this will be 36 minus 2x inches. For step 4, let us write the formula of the volume with respect to our labels here. So the length will be 36 minus 2x times the width, which is 24 minus 2x, times the height, and that is x. Let us simplify this, and we will get 4x cubed minus 120x squared plus 864x. The step 5 is we take derivative of this function. After that, we will set v prime equals 0, and then we will solve for x. The v prime of x equals 12x squared minus 240x plus 864. Next, we set this to be 0, and it becomes like this now. Let us now solve for x. First, let us simplify this equation by dividing by 12. So we will have the simplified one to be x squared minus 20x plus 72 equals 0. Let us use quadratic formula. So the value of x now equals negative of negative 20 plus or minus the big square root here of the square of negative 20 minus 4 times 1 times 72 all over 2 times 1. When we simplify this, we will get the value of x to be 10 plus or minus 2 square root of 7. Let us separate the plus or minus, then we will get the two values of x. First is the 10 plus 2 square root of 7. The second is 10 minus 2 square root of 7. Let us analyze each value. Let's start with this 10 plus 2 square root of 7. When we substitute this 10 plus 2 square root of 7 to this side of the box, we will see that we will get a negative value. It means this value of x is not acceptable. So we have this value of x 10 minus 2 square root of 7 to be the accepted one. Then we will write the unit of measurement, the inches. This is now the final answer. This is the side of the square in here. If we're curious about the maximum volume, with the formula earlier about the volume of the box, let us substitute this value 10 minus 2 square root of 7 for all the x that we see on the right side. So it will be like this. When we simplify this, we will get the answer as 640 plus 448 square root of 7. And this is equivalent to 1825. And the unit of measurement, cubic inches. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.